So we are studying about the natural resources. In this resources, one activity is there. We have to study this activity. So what is activity 14.1? We have to see the activity 14.1 and see the page number, which is given page number 190. So what activity you have to do? Measure the temperature of the following. Measure the temperature of the following. Of the following. First, in activity first, take first beaker full of water. An activity, what activity is given? First, take first a beaker full of water, and second, a beaker full of soil, sand, and third, a closed bottle, containing a thermometer. Keep them in bright sun for 3 hours. So we have to take the one bottle, one beaker that contains water first, and second, this is second beaker, it having this soil, and third, it is a closed container. Containing one thermometer. This is closed container. It is thermometer. And keep these in sun for 3 hours. Kept these beakers and these closed bottles for 3 hours in the sun. Now measure the temperature of all the three vessels. So first and next, fourth, keep these, or keep them in bright sunlight for 3 hours. And fifth, now measure the temperature of all the three vessels. Now measure the temperature of all three and also they take temperature reading in set at the same time. And sixth, this is very important, also take the temperature reading is set at the same time, at the same time. So this is activity. This is the activity. So in activity, what you have to do? You have to take a beaker full of water, and second, a beaker full of soil or the sand, and a closed bottle containing the thermometer. Keep them in bright sunlight for 3 hours and measure the temperature of the beaker first, second, and the closed container. And also measure the temperature, take the temperature in the set at the same time. Then on this basis, on this experiment, basis of this experiment, you have to answer the following questions. So first, answers on the basis of these experiment, these activity, you have to answer the following questions. So first question, we can write the answer here. This is activity, and on the basis of this activity, you have to answer the following questions. So first, is the temperature reading more in the activity first or second? So first, you see the first, is the temperature reading more in activity first or activity second? So you will find that the temperature reading, you find that temperature reading more in activity second, means in one word that the temperature of the beaker containing soil or the sand will be more in comparison to the other, in comparison to the beaker, in comparison to the beaker containing the water. So beaker containing water is first and the beaker containing soil is second. So second beaker will have the more temperature in comparison to the first. Now see next, based on the above finding, what would become which would become hot faster, land or sea? Land or sea? So second, based on the above finding, which would become hot faster, land or the sea? So here land become hot faster than, land become hot faster than sea. On this basis of this activity, we can say that land become hot faster than the sea or the water. Now see third, is the temperature reading of the thermometer reading of the temperature. Now once again, is the thermometer reading of the temperature of air in bracket inside the same as the temperature of sand or water? So the second, you see, is the thermometer reading of the temperature of air the same as the temperature of sand or wind? What do you think is the reason for this, and why does the temperature have to be measured in the cell? So here the temperature of your third the temperature of air, the temperature of air in set is different from different from the temperature of soil and water in sunlight because of the direct effect of because of the direct effect of radiation in letter case. So third, now and why does the temperature have to be measured in the set? So the temperature should be measured in the set. So the question is, why does the temperature have to be measured in this set? So the temperature should be measured. Temperature should be measured in the set because in sunlight, because in bright sunlight, because in bright sunlight direct solar radiation, because in bright sunlight the solar will directly affect, because in the bright sunlight the solar radiation will affect the reading. And which will not that is enough. So the temperature should be measured in the set because in bright sunlight the solar radiation will affect the reading. The next question: is the temperature of the air in the closed container? Is the temperature of the air in the closed glass tube or the vessels the same as the temperature taken in the open air? No. The temperature of closed container, the temperature of closed container will be more in comparison to the temperature measured in the open air. So fourth, you can write the fourth. we can write the fourth here. Now next, fourth is the temperature of the air in the closed glass vessel bottle the same as the temperature taken in open air. The temperature of air, the temperature of the air in the closed vessel will be more the temperature of air in the closed vessel will be more than the temperature of air than the temperature of the air than the temperature of open air. Temperature of open air. So here the temperature of air in the closed vessel will be more than the temperature of open air. So what asking the next question? What do you think is the reason for this? So the reason for this may be of the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. It is just like the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. It is just like this. Suppose this is the closed container, and solar radiations can come into the vessels, and the air become the warmer, and when it re-radiates the heat, this radiated heat is unable to cross the wall of the vessels. That is why temperature of the air will be more in comparison to the temperature of the air outside the vessels. So this happens just like the greenhouse effect, where these glass vessels work just like the greenhouse gases. Now next one is, and do you ever come across this phenomenon in daily life as in the when a car is parked in sun. This happens when a car is parked in the sun. We feel such phenomenon, such type of these conditions we can find when we park a car in the sun for 3 or 4 hours. Thank you. That's for today.